your mind is your most powerful machine. It can build your future, or it can bury your potential. If you want more money, if you want freedom, if you want to break the cycle you were born into, you must first train your brain to think like a winner. Listen carefully. You don't become rich by luck. You become rich by training your mind to see opportunities where others see excuses. Poor thinking says, I can't. I don't have enough. I'll start later. Rich thinking says, this is possible. I'll figure it out. Let me start right now. Your bank account is a mirror of your mindset. You fix the mind, and the money follows. Every day, your mind receives two instructions: become better or stay the same. Most people choose the comfortable path. They scroll, they complain, they settle. Not you. Not anymore. To train your brain for money, read more than you watch. Build more than you consume. Study skills that pay. Spend time with people who think bigger. Your mind becomes powerful when you feed it powerful things. Money is not complicated. People's mindset about money is complicated. Stop thinking like a victim. Stop thinking like someone waiting for a miracle. Start thinking like a creator, a builder, a problem solver. You want more money? Then build value. Solve problems. Learn task skills that increase your earning power. The moment you start thinking, how can I create more, instead of how can I save more, that's the moment your mind shifts and your financial life changes forever. Winners don't wait for motivation. They create discipline. They train their brain every day to push harder, go further, and refuse to quit. Your mind must hear this. I will not stop until I reach my goals. I will not settle for average. I will not accept a broke mindset. You become dangerous, unstoppable, when your mind believes you can create any life you choose. Train your brain, and you will train your future. Think bigger, and money will chase you. Act boldly, and success will follow you. Remember this. Your brain is the engine, your effort is the fuel, and your future is waiting. Most people don't fail because they don't have talent. They fail because they have mental limits. They never question. Limits like, I'm not smart enough. I don't have support. I'm too late to start. I don't have money. These are not truths. They are stories your brain repeats until you believe them. But here's the real truth. You can start with nothing and still win. You can rise from any situation. You can rebuild, relearn, restart, and still succeed. When the mind grows bigger than the excuses, money becomes easier to earn. Deep inside, there's a voice talking to you, and that voice can be your greatest weapon or your worst enemy. Rich minds speak differently. I will make it happen. I will learn this skill. I will make my life better. I control my destiny. You must train your inner voice to push you, not break you. Every morning tell yourself, I am capable. I am valuable. I am becoming stronger every single day. This is not motivation. This is mental programming. This is how champions are built. Money doesn't come from comfort. Money comes from transformation. Your struggles? They are not there to destroy you. They're there to prepare you. The financial pain you feel, the pressure, the responsibilities, the disappointments, all of it is shaping you into someone who can earn more, manage more, lead more, and handle more. Winners don't run from pain. Winners ooze on pain as fuel. They say, this is hard, but I am harder. Train your brain to turn every setback into strategy, every failure into data, every difficulty into discipline. Remember this, your mind is the first place where you become rich, long before your bank account ever shows it. You want more money? Start here. Your thoughts, here. Start here. Your habits. Start here. Your discipline. Train your brain and you will transform your life. Forever